Today, let's delve into an important environmental topic that impacts us all, the ozone layer. This fragile shield is our planet's sunscreen, safeguarding us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. To highlight its significance, September 16 is designated as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. Celebrated globally and in India since 1995, this day draws attention to our collective efforts to maintain this crucial protective barrier. This year's theme is Montreal Protocol Advancing Climate Actions. What is ozone? Ozone is a reactive gas made up of three oxygen atoms existing in two main layers of the atmosphere. Stratospheric ozone, located 15 to 30 kilometers above Earth. This ozone forms naturally when UV light interacts with molecular oxygen, providing a crucial shield against harmful UV radiation. Tropospheric ozone, found closer to the ground. It forms through chemical reactions involving volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides affecting air quality but not the ozone layer itself. The term ozone hole describes areas of significant ozone depletion, such as the severe case in September 2000, which spanned 28.4 million square kilometers. How is the ozone layer depleted? Ozone depletion mainly occurring in the Antarctic and Arctic regions, with Antarctica being more affected due to extremely low temperatures that create stratospheric clouds, worsening the depletion. Human activities contribute significantly to this problem by releasing ozone depleting substances such as chlorofluorocarbons and halogens. These substances release chlorine and bromine into the stratosphere, which then break down ozone molecules. Why is ozone depletion harmful? Ozone depletion has severe impacts. Human health. Increased ultraviolet radiation raises the risk of skin cancers and cataracts. Flora. Ultraviolet radiation affects plant growth and nutrient distribution. Marine life. Ultraviolet radiation impacts phytoplankton, crucial for the marine food chain. Terrestrial ecosystems. Ultraviolet radiation disrupts biogeochemical cycles and greenhouse gas levels. To control this ozone depletion, internationally a protocol has been designed, namely Montreal Protocol, adopted on September 16, 1987. This protocol is a pivotal international agreement designed to combat ozone depletion by regulating ozone depleting substances. It has successfully phased out many harmful chemicals such as hydrochlorofluorocarbons. Key achievements of this protocol. As of September 16, 2009, it became the first UN treaty to be universally ratified. Later in 2016, a key amendment known as Kigali Amendment has been made to Montreal Protocol to address hydrofluorocarbons, which, while not harmful to the ozone layer, have high global warming potentials. The amendment aimed to cut HFCs by 80 to 85% by the late 2040s. Progress and outlook. The Montreal Protocol is on track to restore the ozone layer to pre-1980 levels over Antarctica by 2066, the Arctic by 2045, and globally by 2040. Additionally, its actions are expected to prevent 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius of global warming by 2050. In essence, the Montreal Protocol highlights the power of global cooperation in addressing environmental challenges and advancing climate actions for a healthier planet.